they really have to want it. No one will push for your financial freedom more than you. So if you really want that million, 10 million, 20 million, you really have to want it. Ayun, nag-live eh. Oh.
Wow!
We're live, guys.
Amazing!
Oh, see? See?
Si Karen.
So I'm here in Dubai. First, I guess, 12 hours here in Dubai. I'm with...
landed last night.
Landed last night. So for those who are new to this video and haven't seen them yet, this is Karen. She's in the older Melbourne videos and Singapore videos. She's the one who retired at 37 years old. Then May, if you've seen the video about her spending habits, we did a video in Resorts World Manila. So that's her.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do something different also for the next 5 minutes that we're here. Instead of me asking or sharing them or asking them questions, May has some questions for me.
And
so,
Karen has some questions for you.
Oh, Karen also has questions. So, the hierarchy is, sabi kanina, no, she has the smile daw of a Hollywood celebrity. Si Karen, sobrang yaman.
Has the voice of a Hollywood celebrity.
Has the voice also. And sobrang yaman din. Sobrang yaman. Oo. Ayan na, people are online. You have Tonying Rojas.
Hello, hi!
Can you guess where you are? Where are we pala? For those who are from Dubai, comment below where we are.
Oh, so, maybe they're here too. Maybe they also want to see
here. So before that also, I'm here because we have Stock Sports UAE happening Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday with the basics of the market up until technicals and fundamentals. So if you want to know how to come in and out, that's what we will talk about. May question though, good PM. Any thoughts on where ISM is headed now? Boy, I just posted a video on that. No, I posted the breakout points for ISM. So you can go back to the video. It's in YouTube and in Facebook also. So you can reference that there. Pero as of now, it's still moving in its breakout. So anyways, what's your question?
Alright, so we'll take this opportunity. Usually kasi si Marvin ang nag-i-interview sa iba't ibang tao. So now, we'll take...
Guys, mayaman to nagtatanong sa akin.
So now we'll take the opportunity to ask Marvin anything about stocks, about personal life, about finance. So anything that we can learn from him.
Kinakabahan ako.
Kinakabahan ka. Dapat impromptu to, Marvin.
Okay.
Interview. Ambush.
Nakuha ni Lumanyego, sabi niya, in the Dubai fountain in front of Dubai Mall.
Yes!
Galing.
Kung nandito ka, punta ka. Let's meet Marvin. Say hi.
Okay, what's your
First question. You've been to a lot of places already. Recently, you've been to Taiwan, you've been to Qatar. Pero what makes you so excited about visiting Dubai once again? Kasi a lot of people are really excited to see you.
Talaga?
So,
they are?
Yeah, yung mga
thank you. Thank you.
It makes you very excited. Ano
Okay.
ba? What's special about Dubai?
Sabi ni Richard, how's the weather there? It's
29 degrees.
It's colder in Manila. For me, what makes me go here? It's not the weather. It's still it's still the people. So for any talk from Taiwan to Qatar to Manila to Cebu to Melbourne, it's really meeting the people. Kasi I was telling them also that you can always do online seminars, videos, pero you don't get to meet people that way. And for me, it's not just about communicating my thoughts, but it's about engaging with people, and that's what makes it for me more fulfilling. It's nicer. Tapos you get to see people progress also. So ayun, that's why we do the travels also. And I don't know if this will be for a very, very long time. I'm sure I will talk about stocks until I'm 100 years old, and I'll invest in stocks up until I'm 100 years old. Pero the travels, I guess, I don't know how aggressive I'll be hanggang pagtanda eh. Pero at this point in my life, I'm enjoying it. So, yun, I'll be in Dubai as long as you guys want me here.
Yes!
Kasi they're my bosses, by the way.
So you're mentioning about how you like traveling so much. Yung gusto naman namin malaman, kasi as I said, it's not just about stocks, personal finance, but about life as well. When you travel, ano yung tips mo when you travel? How do you can you save even if you travel? How do you save?
Hybrid din kasi, no? So in a year, parang there are some travels that where we go for a vacation. There are travels na may talk, tapos talk lang talaga. Meron din after some talk na I get to travel also. Sometimes also kasama yung wife ko. There are travels also na may nalilibre sa akin ng steak sa Melbourne. Ganon. Grabe. Doon ako nakaranas ng karangyaan, no? But this is what I've been doing ever since pa naman. But more especially when I got married, kasi my wife likes to travel more, ano lang, it's very intentional. We have a budget. So, every time money comes in, syempre priority ko always is when the business or investment starts to come in. It goes back first to the business or investments. Tapos, there's a portion that goes to my personal life. Dun sa personal life ko yun, hati-hati na yun. There's something that goes for this, and kasama dun, travel. So, it's been better, I guess, the past 10 years have been, syempre your income grows also as it gets better. You get to put more also dun sa other items. And kasi when you're starting out, kasi yung needs mo is parang lahat ng salary mo goes mostly to needs, but as you start earning more, you get to put more sa savings and investments, pero may sobra pa rin to enjoy. So dun na pupunta. Always, I enjoy traveling, pero in terms of budget, last priority. Hindi naman siya last priority, pero it's not in the highest level. So there.
Ay, nice.
I have a question.
Okay. Yung mayaman na yung nagtanong. Okay.
Hindi, Mark, kasi sa dami ng talks mo, like just for this year, in Stocksmart Dubai, we had this for 5 years already.
Oh nga, wow.
And your first
years.
batch, yung student mo ng first
Okay.
batch, lagi siya nag-visit sa'yo. Like,
Michael
we are
Gaspar,
talking about,
hashtag
yun,
Michael Gaspar.
naalala mo, si Michael Gaspar. We
Okay.
are talking about Michael Gaspar. But apart from Michael Gaspar, meron ka din bang students from all over the world na very fulfilling, na ma-remember mo, na natuto talaga siya sa talks mo?
Madami din, of course. Pero just to quantify, not everyone who attends also practice or executes it. So, ano lang siya, it's the numbers. There will be probably 40% that won't do anything about it, or probably busy pa sila sa business nila. There will be siguro 20, 30 to 40% of that attended that will do okay, will do average, and then you have the 10% that are above average, and you have the 1-2% that they're really getting millions also. So it happens, and then there are people talaga na ito story to, a lot of the moms na stay at home, nalala sila mag-trade, sobra nalala sila mag-trade. So I've met a lot of moms that yun, kasi they have a lot of time on their hands. Sila, nasa abroad pareho sila. Mas pala nag-work sila dito. So yun.
Saya na.
Wow!
Kasama naman.
So there.
So ang daming mga attendees. So tomorrow, since we're talking about Stocksmart, what is something that they can expect from you? Kasi gusto kong malaman, or gusto din lang malaman, lalo yung mga attendees, so about short selling. Kasi i-introduce
Short
yan sa
selling.
meeting. Yeah.
Oh, pero what's weird nga, it was supposed to be introduced last October eh. Dinisclose nila last June, July na October meron dapat. Pero, ano na eh, November na wala pa. So, I don't know if it will actually happen this year. So that's weird. They've been saying it na magkakaroon ng October. So, I don't know if it will be something that can be applied immediately this year as well. So yun lang yung ano dun, no? It's not as I guess direct kagad na makukuha mo kagad yung learnings kagad dun. If you want to do short selling, foreign markets, forex, cryptos, they all have that. So,
Yes. Okay, for those na parang sabi, bakit iniisip nila, what is short selling? Maybe 1 or 2 sentences about short selling, Mara. I don't know. Maybe they're interested.
About short selling, it allows you to, if the market is going on the opposite direction, meaning it's going down, it allows you to make money from it as well. Kasi sa PSE, we've only been exposed to one possibility lang, na pag umakyat yung market, you make money off of that. Short selling, baliktad. Market is down, you can make money. Pero, same way also, may risk din siya because, you're borrowing money. So, if you're borrowing money, you incur interest. It does not go the way you want it to go, you lose even more money. So short selling, pwede ka mag-zero. Meaning sa stock market, kasi pag bumili ka, maipit ka lang, you can hold on to it. Pero, if you short, your money can go to zero.
Oh, okay.
So, yun yung mga risks.
It's very interesting your short selling. Will you be talking about that sa ating seminar?
Oh, we will tackle it. It's essentially lang I don't know nga, it's easy lang to explain. So I don't know bakit sobrang excited yung mga tao about it, but we'll talk about it. It's not as complicated as what people think it is. Siguro I think there's such a buzz lang kasi wala tayong ganun eh. So pero in a lot of markets normal lang siya. It's actually just one button kung saan ka nagtitrade eh. Yun.
Okay. May questions,
Omar?
Is it it's easier said than done pag trading walang constant practice. You have to practice and you have to master. Sabi ni Luisa Delin. So,
Yes,
totoo.
Luisa.
You have to practice and you have to do it as well.
So,
Okay, sige, final
Mar, what can
one
you,
question
ay, one
each.
question,
Sige,
sige.
final
So,
questions,
Mar,
go.
what can you advise for those almost 40% na sinabi mo na either nawala ng gana with actively trading or investing pagkatapos ng makinig sa talks mo or wala lang talagang
Di
time?
naman sa walang gana. Yung siguro sa first 1 week, 2 weeks, excited din sila. Excited like most people. Like parang gym. First month mo excited
Full
ka eh.
outfit.
Full outfit. Full outfit. Pero siguro life gets in the way or parang there are other things that happen.
So what should they do? Anong ma-advise mo?
They really have to want it eh. No one will push for your financial freedom more than you. So if you really want that million, 10 million, 20 million, you really have to want it eh. That's how ako, ganito. I've seen it also na sinabi nila I don't have time pero they have 10 hours to watch Netflix every week. What's sacrificing 2-3 hours of Netflix studying and taking care of your financial freedom? I don't say this often pero in the first 2-3 years ko pagka-graduate ko ng college, I would work 16 hours a day. 8 hours sa trabaho, 8 hours doing other things as well. Kasi yun eh, no one will take care of your money more than you eh. It's not the responsibility of your office to make you rich eh. It's their responsibility to make the business rich, but it's your responsibility to make you financially free as well. So yeah.
Very nice.
Question.
So, we learned, nag-summarize muna, nag-summarize.
Okay, sige.
So,
What
para
are you
sinabi ni
summarizing?
Marvin that traveling is good. I think Dubai is also a place na you're very familiar with, and I think it's the people that Marvin gets to spend time with, especially when he's here. And also, yung pag-deliver niya ng stock smarts, diba? So, a lot of people will learn again. Traveling is one of his favorite things to do. Together with his wife, ang sinasabi niya, what you do is you budget money, diba? Sinasabi mo. For those, yung mga stock smarts attendee, there are those na who stop, hindi na sila nagtitrade. But then again, sinasabi na it's actually up to you na para
take
mabuhay.
action.
Yes, to take
Or,
action.
see, you're summarizing na pala, no? But yun din, sometimes kasi when people siguro na nagkamali, they lose money, na-discourage sila eh.
Yes.
So, yun lang, parang when people get discouraged, they mustn't use those failures to, I guess, to stop or define themselves or that's why I always tell people also pag nag-trade ka, you only expose yourself to an amount of money that kung ba, you're okay pa rin eh. Kasi baliktad naman, more people want to put more money kasi just in case pag umakyat, jackpot sila, they make more. Kaso if it goes the other direction, that's where they get hit and that's where they will actually lose more. So it always has to be an amount that you're willing to trade and sacrifice for.
Okay, so
Okay,
last question.
By the way, Burj Khalifa is over there, guys. So for those who are asking.
Nag-summarize ba ako ng last question?
Okay, what's your last question?
Last question. Sinasabi mo na parang it has to be money that you're willing to lose. It has to be... Pero what about this time na yung market is quite down? Is it still a good time to trade? Is it still a good time to learn about stock investing? What do you
Okay.
think?
Oo naman. Why? Because the market is down, but not all stocks are down.
Yes.
One.
Very
Number
true.
2, all stocks, the broad market is down, but the market oscillates up and down. Eh. So, if you want to trade on a more, hindi man frequent, but you want to trade these levels at the volatility and the oscillation, you can still make money off of that. Or, also, if you are an investor that's in the long term, that's why we have the fundamental analysis course, because sa sobrang daming bumagsak ngayon, tapos ngayon ka pala mag-invest, sobrang daming stocks na medyo mura na.
Yes.
So, yun yung advantage eh. You can either use this moment na bagsak yung market to allow you to position, buy cheap, and start to position for 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now, or you trade the volatility, or if you are positioning, just stay away. Huwag mo muna pasukin yung market habang bagsak siya. Pero, what advantage mo nun is while you're staying in cash, when the market starts to reverse and go up, may bala ka para maglagay ng madami. So,
Right.
yun, that's where money's made eh.
Okay, that's where you make money.
No naman, but for me, it's always about how everyone else can make it eh. Kasi if I trade on my own, they can make money on my own. Pero what is nicer if a lot of people get involved in this, a lot of people are part of this so that sayang eh. We have to change the statistic that it's foreigners making money sa Philippines. It has to be Filipinos making money from the Philippines as well. So,
Okay.
that's it.
So,
Yeah.
Mar, yes. why don't you invite them for tomorrow event? So for those who still want to register,
You can still do
Link
so.
is below. Yeah, link is below if
Yeah.
you want to register. It's at 8
Hyatt
a.m.
Place.
8 a.m. Yes.
8 a.m., yes.
Hyatt Place in Alviga, Dubai. Sa tabi nun, may masarap na shawarma sa Alviga, guys.
Kumain ka kagabi.
Oo, masarap. Every time, bukas yun 24 hours. So, pwede tayong sumaglit sa area. But, basic starts tomorrow. Technicals on Friday, Saturday. Then you have fundamentals on Sunday. Then, you will continue technicals on Monday and Tuesday as well. So, this is part 1 of our video series here.
Yes.
Where's the second
La Mer.
part? We will be in La Mer. I don't know where La Mer is.
Same here.
Oh, but we
Get
will go
lost.
in La Mer. So part 1 here in Burj Khalifa. Part 2 we'll introduce a new topic there with the same people. Sobrang yaman nila, guys. So see you all again soon. Hope this video helps you what?
to trade strong,
Mali!
trade well, trade strong, and trade smart.
Hello!